How much does Samsung TV repair cost? The cost of Samsung TV repair depends on the type of issue, TV size, model, and repair complexity. Minor repairs like software fixes or remote issues can cost $50 to $100, while major repairs like screen or motherboard replacement can range from $200 to $1,000. TV repairs. Screen repair or replacement, $200 to $1,000, depending on screen size and type. Power supply repair, $100 to $300, issues like no power or flickering screen. Motherboard repair or replacement, $150 to $500, problems with connectivity or display. Backlight repair, $100 to $250, dim or no display issues. Speaker or audio repair, $50 to $200, distorted or no sound. 2. Factors that affect Samsung TV repair costs. Several factors impact repair costs, including TV size. Larger TVs cost more to repair. Display technology. OLED and QLED screens are pricier to fix than LED models. Type of repair. Replacing a screen or motherboard is more expensive than fixing software issues. Warranty coverage. Repairs may be free if the TV is under warranty. 3. Is it worth repairing a Samsung TV? If the repair cost is under 50% of the TV's price, it is worth fixing. If the screen is damaged on an older model, replacing the TV might be a better option. For minor issues, repair is usually cost-effective. 4. How to get a Samsung TV repaired. Samsung authorized service centers, best for warranty repairs. Local TV repair shops, often cheaper but may not use original parts. DIY fixes. Some software issues can be resolved at home. 5. Does Samsung warranty cover repairs? Under warranty, repairs may be free if the issue is covered. Out of warranty, customers must pay for repairs, but Samsung offers service options. 6. How to reduce Samsung TV repair costs. Check for warranty coverage before seeking paid repairs. Compare repair costs between service centers. Consider extended warranties for future protection. Samsung TV repair costs range from $50 for minor fixes to over $1,000 for major repairs. Checking warranty status and comparing repair options can help reduce costs.